Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Madhusurti, SAS Institute of Management. Subject: Developing Team and Effective Leadership. A comparison of Indian leaders Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. This presentation will explore the lives and legacy of two influential Indian leaders Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. We will develop into their background, achievement and contribution of the Indian independence movements. Mahatma Gandhi early life. Born in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhi's early life was marked by a strong sense of justice and a commitment to non-violence residents. His education in London and South Africa played a crucial role in shaping his political and philosophical views. Key beliefs: Gandhi philosophy of Satyagraha, which implies truth and non-violence, became the cornerstone of India's struggle for independence. His belief in the power of peaceful protest and civil inspired millions to join his movement. Background: Early activism. Gandhi's initial involvement in the Indian National Congress focused on issues such as social reform and the fight against discrimination. Salt Satyagraha. The Salt Satyagraha, a mass protest against the British salt tax, was a turning point in the independence movement. Gandhi's leadership inspired nationwide participation and brought global attention to India's cause. Quit and movement. During World War II, Gandhi launched the Quit India movement, damaging, demanding British withdrawal from India. Achievement: Independence. Gandhi's unwavering commitment to non-violence played a pivotal role in achieving India's independence in 1947. His legacy continuously inspired peace movement and social justice initiatives worldwide. Social reform. Gandhi was a tireless advocate for social reform, fighting against untouchability, promoting women's rights, and working to bridge the gap between different communities. Global, global influence. Gandhi's message of peace and non-violence resonated across the globe. He inspired generation of activists and leaders, influenced movements for civil rights, social justice, and environmental protection. Subhash Chandra Bose, military background. Bose's background in the Indian civil service and his military experience during World War I influenced his view on India's independence and his belief in a more aspiration approach to achieve it. Forward Bloc. In 1939, Bose formed the Forward Bloc, a political party that advocated for a more aggressive stance against British rule. He believed that India needed a strong military force to achieve independence. Background: Exile. Was different with the Congress leader lead to resignation and exile from India. Formation of the INA. In exile, Bose formed the Indian National Army with the support of the Japanese and German government. The INA aimed to fight alongside the Axis powers against the British, but its ultimate goal was India's independence. Return to India. At the end of war, Bose returned to India but died mysteriously in plane crash in 1945. His legacy as a controversially yet influential figure in India's independence struggle remains debated today. Achievement. Formation of the INA. Bose's vision of unfettered independence inspired thousands of Indians to join the military. Despite its association with the Axis power, military leadership. Bose's military experience and leadership skills were crucial organizing and motivating the INA troops. Impact of Impact on Indian independence movements. The INA achievements and Bose's action during World War II significantly impacted the course of the Indian independence movement. The INA fight against the British, even if all alliance with the Axis powers, resonant with many Indians and contributed to a sense of national unity. Comparison of Comparison and conclusion. Gandhi legacy primarily defined by philosophy on non-violence and his unwavering commitment to peaceful residence. Bose. Bose's legacy is more complex and of debated. His alliance with the Axis power during World War II remained controversial.